Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome to English Pronunciation Practice. I am Emma, and today we will train the sound eh with clear, easy words.
Hi, I am Nexo. I am ready to listen, repeat, and learn fast.
Great, Nexo. Keep your ears open and your mouth relaxed.
Let's do it.
Before we start, I will show you the structure of today's pronunciation lesson. Part 1 is words. We listen to each word and repeat the S sound clearly. Part 2 is phrases. We listen to short sentences and notice the sound in real English. Go slowly, listen carefully, and repeat with confidence.
I am ready, Emma. My ears are working.
Excellent. Let's begin with the words.
Listen and repeat out loud. Bed. Bed.
Pen. Pen. Egg. Egg.
Desk. Desk.
Leg. Leg.
Bell. Bell.
Bread. Bread.
Head. Head. Pet. Pet. Dress. Dress. Lemon. Lemon.
Elephant. Elephant.
Fence. Fence. Shell. Shell.
Web. Web.
Bench. Bench. Tent. Tent. Net. Net. Phrases.
Great job completing the words section. It is very important to listen to as much English as possible.
Nice. Now I want to hear the sound inside full phrases.
Exactly, Nexo. The goal of phrases is to listen carefully to sentences and get used to the sounds of English.
Bed. Bed.
The bed is big. The bed is big. Pen. Pen.
This pen is blue. This pen is blue.
Egg. Egg.
An egg is on the plate. An egg is on the plate. Desk. Desk. The desk is clean. The desk is clean. Leg. Leg. His leg is long. His leg is long. Bell. Bell. The bell is loud. The bell is loud. Bread. Bread. The bread is fresh. The bread is fresh. Head. Head. My head is warm. My head is warm. Pet. Pet. The pet is cute. The pet is cute. Dress. Dress. This dress is green. This dress is green. Lemon. Lemon. A lemon is yellow. A lemon is yellow. Elephant. Elephant. The elephant is big. The elephant is big. Fence. Fence. The fence is white. The fence is white. Shell. Shell. A shell is on the sand. A shell is on the sand. Web. Web. A web is in the corner. A web is in the corner. Bench. Bench. The bench is in the park. The bench is in the park. Tent. Tent. The tent is near the tree. The tent is near the tree. Net. Net. The net is green. The net is green.
Good job. You and Nexo finished the pronunciation lesson for the F sound.
Yes. I can hear the sound better now. That was fun.
Well done. Keep listening and repeating. See you in the next class.